Okay, we're good to go. Hey everybody, and welcome back for another gameplay of The Walking Dead Survival Instinct. So from our previous gameplays, nakita natin si Merlies and we lost Warren. So I'm sorry about that. We have a new survivor, by the way. Okay, so Mia prefers shotgun and we're going to give her a task. So I think we should give her the same task that we gave to Warren before he disappeared. That is, find fuel. Alright. Wait lang guys, bigyan nyo ako ng time na i-sort out to. Okay, so I think this is good. So nag-iwan na din ako ng mga backup weapons just in case lang. Alright, let's do this.
I need some methicillin, some penicillin, better yet,
You
vancomycin.
stay put. You just slow me down right now.
The hell I would. But I was thinking of kicking my feet up.
Nasaan tayo? Nasa ospital ba tayo? Putik, nasa ospital tayo guys. Feel ko yung mga pasyente di naging zombie. Okay. Here is where the terror starts. Oh my goodness. Reload. Sana man hindi lang ako nakadinig yun. Let's be cautious here. Feel ko babangon to. Oh. Who said that? Someone's alive. But where? Okay, let's follow the objective indicator. Dine? An alternate route it means. But where? Ah, okay din eh. Where are you, bro? Nasa yung nagsasalita? Ay, ito! Wait! Ito yung lalaki doon sa ating previous gameplay ah. Yung kasama ni Scout.
She brought you to the hospital after all, huh, Donner boy?
Oh, Scout? She went to the morgue with some medical tools. She said there were some mean-looking military dudes, so look out, man.
Hey, I need some antibiotics. You got some?
Gauze and tongue depressors. Sorry.
I'm gonna keep moving.
Cool, man. Be safe, alright?
Thanks bro. Keep safe as well. Delikado sa place na ito eh. Okay, hindi nagalaw. Hindi din. Feel ko marami tayo malulot din eh.
Some light would be nice.
What do you see?
Oh,
What do you think I see? It's a fucking hospital.
there's a lot of corpses around. Feel ko babangon ng mga ito pag kami nagawa tayo. Tama ba pinupunta natin? It's like we're going on a circle. Why is this barricaded? Saan ba tayo pupunta? Oh! May something doon. Wait. Dini ba? Okay, there's nothing here. Where the heck? Okay, there's nothing here. May malulot ba? Wala din. Wala din. It's kinda weird. There's a lot of corpses here, but there's no zombie. Hello? Oh my goodness. Teka, kinakabahan ako. Something doesn't feel right in this part. Wala ka zombie-zombie eh, tas there's a lot of corpses here lying around. Oh, tamo. Mga hindi nabangon. There's nothing here. Hey! Putik! Hey! Hey! Kaya ayoko ng mga ganito eh. Bigla na lang yun eh. Teka. I need water right now. Babangon na to, feel ko. Sana wag na uli mangyari yun. Putik na yan. Atake na eh. Putik na yan. Hoy! Ito na, bangon! Oh! Hoy! Oh my goodness. They're starting, guys. Ah, ito na nga. Tak! Tak! Isa pa. They're starting to walk around. Dini ba? Wait, dini kaya? Mayroon ba dini? Eto. Okay, hindi. Hey! Oh no, you don't, bro. Feel ko delikado magpaputok din eh. Never mind.
Where can you get a poke and a smoke around here?
Oh!
Damn it, Murray, you're gonna get me killed.
Hey, saan tayo? Saan tayo? Ang daming nabangon. Bili! Chew! Ay, putik meron din eh. Aba, putik meron pa. Nakapasok ka, ha? No. Chew! Yan, ge. Manatili kayo dyan. Bit mas aggressive ang mga zombie din eh. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
What the heck? Ba ito? Ay! Hala, nababasag pala yun. Okay. Sorry, my mistake. Kala ko hindi mababasag eh. Naggawa tuloy tayo ng ingay. Sardo natin to. Baka bigla na ma-push forward yung pintuan. Magbukas eh. Saan ba tayo?
What the
Oh.
hell are you doing?
Change
Oh.
the channel, monkey.
Candace, just wait. Candace,
Huh?
it isn't a function of the central nervous system.
What's
but
that?
the peripheral. You have samples, a working serum.
Huh?
That's why I stayed. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. You don't have it. I will. Lieutenant Groves is searching with his men as we speak.
Who is that? So yung nagsalta ngayon? Is that a doctor in this hospital? Hey! Mga nabaon sila. Here? No bro, hindi din eh. How about here? Putik guys! Parang nagpapaikot-ikot na lang tayo. Nakakalito na. Okay, this is a different spot. Oh, hindi naman makadaan. I can hear gnawing everywhere. Di ba? Di na?
The hell?
What the hell what?
Team 1 in pursuit of wider mix
What the hell what?
female,
Alin?
20s to 30s.
Hey! Ang dami! Hey! Oh my goodness! Saan tayo? Ang dami! Get! Okay, we're dead. Takbo, men! Sige, elevator. Hey! Oh my goodness.
Team 1, contact with infected. Weapons free.
Hey! No! Isa ka pa! Ano naman pa? Wow! That's a weird looking style and creepy. Oh my goodness, naksay natin ng bala dun ah. My mistake. Okay, nasaan tayo ngayon? Atrium? Alright. Thanks for that. Putik na yan. Hey! Na again?
Merle, you there?
Of course I am. Hell, I thought you bought it.
Someone else here. Maybe they can help. I'm gonna go check it out.
What? Is that a weapon? Weapon ba yun? Sayang di ko dala sniper natin eh. Para matutukan natin maigi yun oh. Mukhang weapon yun. Okay. There's a crawling zombie. Isa pa. Ba't hindi na pwedeng tapakan? Kung ako yan, tatapakan ko na lang yan. Oh, okay. Sige. Let's be sneaky here. We can take them down. Meron pa? Okay, meron pa. Buti hindi na napapansin ang flashlight natin. Sa ating unang gameplay, napansin ng zombie eh. Saan to? Alright, weapon nga. Shotgun, bro. Putik. 8 shots. Nice. Ay! Sana naman walang zombie sa paligid. Gamit na tayo ng mga weapons. Ano pa ba ang purpose ng ating mga weapons kung hindi ating gagamitin, di ba? Oh, ano mayroon pa? Headshot. May something doon sa exit. Wait lang. Pak! Hello? Ikaw. Bala. And, oh my goodness, ang dami nila. Alright. Kaya to ngayon. Basta magdaan-daan lang tayo. Hihi! Okay, lapit. Ano? Mayroon pa? Kaya to guys, kaya. Ano ha? Are there more? Okay, meron pa. Hey, look at that. Katulad dun sa series, oh. Don't open. Dead. Wala bang word na inside? Oh! Axe! Di ko yung napansin. Alright, meron na tayo guys palakol. Malakas to feel ko. Laki eh. Fire axe. Ito yung gusto kong gamitin na melee weapon sa, sa Left 4 Dead. Okay, saan tayo ngayon? Di na. Hello? Okay, there's nothing here. Only corpses! Sige, subukan mo naman akong bulagain. 2 hits! Alakas ah! Di ba? Open yun dun, oh. Feel ko maraming walkers dun. Okay, let's just be glad na lock ang mga pintuan na yun. How about this way? Okay, she's eating. Teka. Bumangon yung isa. Oh, putol na kamay. Yeah. Alright. Tipitin natin guys yung balance shotgun na 6 na lamang eh. Oh, no. Lock. Yeah. Grabe yung sound effects nung pagpukpok. Tak. Bakit parang padilim sa paligid? Tuwing palayo tayo ng palayo. Where are we now? Ay, ito yung sa open! Chew! Off with your head! Sige. Tinatin ko kaya nyo yung buksan. Okay. Hey! Putik! Ge! Pinaghandaan ko na yan, ha? Ito. Nga pala. Yung walker din eh. Tak! Babangon to? Hindi. Okay, there's nothing here. But there's a lot of corpses there. Oh my goodness. This hospital is very haunted for sure. We caught their attention. Ang dami! Ay, wait. Yun! Doon. Nakikita man lang ba nila? Hindi nila guys nakikita. Sadyang gutom na gutom sila eh. Saan tayo ngayon? Ang dami! Yung shotgun. Sige, lapit! Okay, nakapasok yung isa. Okay! Chew! Okay, nabuksan nila. Okay! Sige! Saan tayo? Nakakit ba? Nakapasok na. Go! Run. Don't look back. Babangon ka pa? Okay, hindi. Tahan agad! Wait, ang dami zombie din eh. Naipon sila, men. Kakahingal sadya. No. Sana naman yun. Don't open. Dead. Wait, walang word na inside. Sabi na eh. Di ko pa nabubuksan yun ha. Nandaya. I'm getting tired seeing a lot of corpses in this hospital. Di ba? Okay, hindi. No, not there. Okay, there's nothing here. Oh, flare.
Could be worse for sure.
Sige. Lock. Dami yung lock na pintuan din, tapos may mga bubulaga. Hindi kaya. Lock din. How about this way? Lock. This one? Lock. Oh! Okay. Sige.
Who are you?
I'm looking for meds. Antibiotics, mostly. You got any you can spare?
Huh?
What in the hell?
These are desperate times. You need meds and I need a very fresh scent.
Huh?
Let him go.
I'm sorry, but we need to get ahead of this disease.
Huh?
One fresh sample will save millions. What am I doing? There's got got to be another way. What if... No. Maybe if we could just... Oh, no time. There's just no time. We need to make this sacrifice.
No.
It is no different from taking tissue from a viable donor to save another life.
Huh?
No lives.
What the hell you doing, boy? I need those meds.
Oh my goodness, bro. Ang dami kong napanood na series ng The Walking Dead. Walang cure na nagawa doon, okay? Di tayo. Huwag tayo sa doktor.
What are you doing?
Okay. You're making a bad decision, girl. Ay, sa tayo din eh.
Lieutenant Rose, I need your help. Please report to
Bahala kayo dyan.
Why are you doing this? Please stop it.
So, sa whole series ng The Walking Dead, wala akong nakitang may nakagawa ng cure. Okay? Wala akong nakita. Kaya di tayo magpo-proceed sa Survivor. Tara, let's go. Oh!
My arm.
Wait lang. Ah! Yeah! Ki! Watch your six! Anong watch your six? Pagkadami nila.
Get him, dude. Tear him up.
Wait lang! Ang dami eh! They're all over me! Eh! Mas madami this time! Eh! Yeah, heads up! Bro, you okay?
Thank you. Woo! I owe you, dude. Big time. I gotta go find Scout.
You do that. Where's that bitch doctor?
She ran off while you were fighting.
She knew what was good for her then.
Hey, I found these before they caught me.
Alin yan?
It's not much.
That might work.
Ano yun, yung mga medicines na kailangan ni Merle? Okay, kailangan natin umalis din eh. Bro, keep safe. Let's go. That's a lot of walkers. I can hear them everywhere. Okay, isa na ang bala ng shotgun natin. I hope this is worth it. Oh, no. Ilang walkers. Hey, tago. Pwede man tayo magtago sa kanila. No time to loot, guys, sorry. Oh, she likes to eat, eh? Okay. Acho! Oh. Saan daan natin? Hindi na. Ah! Okay, yun na natin daan. Eh! Cho! Wee! Wala na. Hindi tayo nakita ng 3 zombie kanina. Oh, okay. Kaso ang dami din ngayon. Ano yun? Weh, saan nanggagaya yung mga tunog na yun? Ang dami walker din eh. Pitaipon sa ospital. Oh, okay. This was a mistake. Oh. Kakatakot. Ang dami kumakatok sa pintuan. Oh, gigi. Pak! Ah, wag ka mag-switch weapon, bro. Gigi. May malulot pa tayo din eh. Okay, wala. Yehey! Ah, ouch. Sakit. Sa dalawang zombie, pahiya pa na tayo eh. Putik na yan. Gusto ko ma-enjoy sa atong shotgun eh, kaso kakaunti ng bala natin. Tayo din eh. Oh my goodness. Kakatakot. Putik, bitang dami zombie dun sa ospital. Feel ko yung mga na-disease na patients, mga naging walkers. Di ba ganyan yung sa series ng The Walking Dead? Pagka na-disease yung tao ay magiging walker? Oh my goodness. Okay, so si Mia ay bumalik ng may 10 fuel, kaso ang kanyang buhay ay critical, oh. Sige, gamutin natin yan sa ating susunod na gameplay. So abangan na lamang ninyo guys, and thank you for watching.